What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install the Gboard in Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open Play Store. Now tap on this search option and then go to the search bar and here search for Gboard. Now tap on this Gboard option and install this Gboard app by Google LLC. Tap on install and then it will automatically download and install the app in your phone. So it will take few seconds according to your internet connection. Now after installing, tap on open and then tap on enable in settings. Now tap on this Gboard button to turn it on and then tap on OK, and after that tap on select input method and from here select Gboard. Now tap on done and now you are ready to use the Gboard in your phone. So that's how you can install Gboard in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.